Hello guys, welcome back to Scientific Molecules. Today I'm going to explain what will happen if ocean waves disappear. Before watching this video, please make sure to like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please comment down below which part you need the next time, and please share this video to your friends. And with no more talking, let's get right into the video. Okay, so one of the most common thing and the thing we know very much is an ocean waves. For us, ocean waves may not be something that is important, and it is just like fun for us, and we won't think that it is very important, right? So if we want to remove these ocean waves, first we should know which all factors are affecting these ocean waves or creating these ocean waves. Tidal force is the force which is experienced in waters, which is caused due to the gravitational force or gravitational pull of the moon. This is one of the causes for waves or tidal waves which we can see. And one of the interesting fact and one of the most amazing fact is that we experience or the ocean experience tidal force more in night than in the morning due to the tidal force exerted or done by the moon. We can imagine that it is just due to the close appearance of moon in the night rather than in the morning. This is why the most of the beaches are closed in night, because it may cause some damage or it may cause some distractions, and we should be aware of it, and it is for our safety. Second, and one of the thing that everyone knows is the wind. The wind is one of the thing that causes these waves, and it is not just normal winds or just winds that we can see in our places. It is the strong winds that cause these waves. Third, and one of the most complicated thing is the temperature change. The temperature is different from the oceans and the land. First, we should remember that the air travels from high pressure area to low pressure area. The water gets heated and cooled very faster compared to the soil in the beaches or in the land. So, since the water is now more warmer than the land, it will make a high pressure area on the water and a low pressure area on the land, and the air flows from the ocean to the land and it creates a tide. And in night, the heat that the soil absorbed in the morning will get useful in the night, and in the night the oceans get a low pressure area due to the cold climate in the night, and it will become a low pressure area, and the sun will become a high pressure area, and the air flows from the land to the water, and that's why it has a very fast wind in the night than in the morning or the daytime. So it is very hard to change ocean waves since we have to move the moon very far, since the tidal waves will affect. Then the temperature should be equal in both of the sides, and there should be no winds, and this is pretty difficult, right? So we have somehow managed to manage these things, and we stop the ocean waves. Then this will actually create a lot of problem, and the first one is the surfers. Many surfers are depending on ocean waves, and ocean waves are their life, and they are earning money due to these oceans, and these surfers may lose their life and they may not get their life back, and even some are getting this money from this as a sport, and this is a bad thing for them to happen. Second, and one of the worst thing that will happen is change in the ecosystem. Many animals are depending on these ocean waves to find their home or to find a habitat or to live or to travel. So if these ocean waves disappeared, they may not be having a place to live, or they may not be having a normal life, or they may be having some confusions, and the ecosystem may not be balanced. Third thing is the salt. Many oceans give salt, right? And salt is one of the most important thing for our food and for the human life and for our good health. And ocean waves are the things which help to deposit salt into the land and which help us in taking the salt or using the salt, or we should be using another way which is much more complicated than this. So these ocean waves make it easier, and we don't need much money for traveling and taking this salt from this. Next one is weather forecasting. Weather forecasting is one of the most important thing in our life for ensuring human safety and for ensuring the safety of the buildings or for our citizens. So weather forecasting cannot be done without these ocean waves, and it will be very hard even if we can do weather forecasting without these ocean waves, and it will be creating many problems for us and for the weather forecasters. And for weather forecasting, the ocean waves are very much necessary. So by saying this, we can conclude that the ocean waves are very necessary than we think, or than we choose, or than we should think. And we should know that ocean waves are not anything that we should see and not anything that we should feel, but it is something that we should feel and that we should conserve, and we should not pollute oceans. And we can conclude that oceans and ocean waves are very very necessary to our life and the life to others. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.